XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, July 18. In today's XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, SEC says, replace court judge now. Alright, let's get started. It's been settled. Judge Sarah Net Byrne has ordered for the deposition of William Hinman, the former SEC director who gave a speech in 2018 stating that Ether is not a security. The United States jurisprudence requires exceptional circumstances for a deposition of a former, high-ranking government official. The judge found the precedent-setting SEC versus Ripple lawsuit to be unique in the extraordinary public interest. The hearing had 4,000 people listening to the phone conference, justify the deposition. The SEC, however, remains resistant and said it would need time to evaluate that. So, the plaintiff might object this week and already vowed to invoke deliberative process privilege if Hinman was deposed. Commenting on Twitter, attorney John E. Deaton said, "The fight over the Hinman deposition has now just begun. It will be a heated, meet and confer meeting, I can promise you that. If I was a lawyer for Ripple, I would find out immediately if the SEC intends to object to several basic non-privileged questions." The lawyer for the XRP holders then offered 10 questions that don't fall under the privilege argument. 1. How many drafts did the speech undergo? 2. Who helped draft or compose the speech? 3. Who reviewed the speech before you gave it? 4. Did you submit the speech to any of the commissioners or chairman? 5. Anyone outside of the SEC assist you? 6. What research, articles, publications or technical resources did you review before giving the speech? 7. What input did the founder of the ETH Foundation provide you before reaching your opinion? 8. What other digital assets did you review or compare to ETH before speech? 9. Did you send any emails or messages with any lawyers or staff at Simpson Thacher before giving that speech? 10. List each person you spoke to about the speech before giving it. SEC lawyers are already objecting to these basic questions, and is now asking to replace the current court judge with a special master, i.e., a retired judge, to preside over the deposition and rule on objections live on the spot. The deposition should take place on Monday, July 19. Prior to the hearing, Deaton explained what the public should know about William Hinman and his speech in 2018 that still raise questions regarding conflict of interest. In the aftermath of the judge ruling, attorney Jeremy Hogan noticed the SEC's impressive resistance to the deposition. "Even thinking about appealing this order suggests to me that the SEC is desperate for this deposition not to go forward." Desperate, Mr. Hogan said. XRP short-term jitters. XRP price has printed 2 bearish chart patterns consecutively, suggesting Ripple could face further decline. The blockchain firm has made progress in the lawsuit filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, after the judge in the case approved of the company's questioning of a former agency official, William Hinman. XRP price has generated a rising wedge pattern prior to posting a descending parallel channel shortly after on the daily chart. While Ripple has attempted to break above the rising wedge, XRP price failed to break above the aforementioned pattern's lower boundary, which led to the subsequent consolidation pattern. The expected target of the rising wedge pattern is measured to be a 26% decline from the breakout, which would see XRP price drop to 49 cents. Adding credence to the bearish bias, another target for XRP price is given from the declining price range. By drawing another parallel channel directly underneath, Ripple projects a 17% drop from the current price, reaching a low of 48 cents. Investors should take note of the impending death cross, where the 50-day simple moving average, SMA, slices below the 200-day SMA, which could further heighten the selling pressure of Ripple. However, the aforementioned XRP price targets would only be in effect if Ripple loses the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level at 55 cents at support and falling further into the demand zone, which extends from 50 cents to 55 cents. XRP price could potentially have another play in store, given the progress that it has made in the SEC case. William Hinman, a former agency official, is scheduled for a deposition on July 27. He will face questioning by the blockchain firm of his previous statement that indicates Ethereum is not a security. If XRP price is able to leverage on the positive sentiment, Ripple could reverse the period of underperformance, but resistance is heavy on its way to recovery. XRP price could target the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 62 cents if selling pressure subsides. Until then, Ripple could continue to move sideways. How XRP is trading. Ripple's XRP fell by 1.43% on Friday. Following a 3.72% slide on Thursday, Ripple's XRP ended the day at $0.59062. Tracking the broader market, Ripple's XRP rose to an early morning intraday high $0.61832 before hitting reverse. Falling short of the first major resistance level at $0.6201, Ripple's XRP slid to a late morning intraday low $0.58757. Steering clear of the first major support level at $0.5817, Ripple's XRP before a briefly revisited $0.604 levels. A bearish end to the day, however, saw Ripple's XRP fall back to sub-59 cents levels before finding support. At the time of writing, Ripple's XRP was up by 0.45% to $0.59328. A mixed start to the day saw Ripple's XRP fall to an early morning low $0.58951 before rising to a high $0.59433. Ripple's XRP left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Ripple's XRP will need to move through the $0.5988 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.6101 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Ripple's XRP to break back through to 61 cents levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and Friday's high $0.61832 would likely cap any upside. In the event of another breakout, Ripple's XRP could test resistance at 63 cents before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.6296. Failure to move through the $0.5988 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.5794 into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Ripple's XRP should steer clear of the second major support level at $0.5681. XRP still has more of an upside as Bitcoin and other cryptos stabilize. It is best to hold on to XRP until then. That's what's been happening this week in the world of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to all investments right now, so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments to keep you and your business on the leading edge of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you enjoyed this edition of XRP Ripple news and price prediction, leave a comment and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's XRP Ripple news and price prediction by checking out our XRP playlist.